In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new slide in PowerPoint. Let's get started by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can either open an existing presentation you've been working on or create a brand new one. If you're continuing a project, select the file from your recent documents. If you're starting fresh, choose a blank presentation so you have a clean slate to work with. Once your presentation is open, look toward the top of the screen for the ribbon, which is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, and Design. Click the Home tab. This is where most of the core slide tools live, and it's the quickest place to handle common tasks such as adding, organizing, and formatting slides. Now find the slides group within the Home tab. Click the New Slide button. The moment you click it, PowerPoint adds a new slide directly after the one that's currently selected in the thumbnail pane on the left. You'll see the new slide appear in that list, and it will also show up in the main editing area, ready for you to type in your content. If you want to control the structure of the new slide, you can choose a layout before or after inserting it. Click the small drop-down arrow right under the new slide button. This reveals layout options like title slide, title and content, blank, and section header. Pick the layout that best matches what you're about to add. For example, title slide is perfect for the start of a presentation. Title and content works well for bullet points or images. Blank gives you full creative control. And section header helps you separate major parts of your talk. Remember, you can always adjust the layout later from the same area if your needs change. If you prefer working quickly, there's also a handy keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+M to instantly insert a new slide. This is a great time saver when you're building a deck and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. It adds a slide using the default layout, so if you need a specific layout, just adjust it afterward using the drop-down. And that's it. You've successfully added a new slide to your presentation. Open your file, go to the Home tab, click New Slide, optionally choose a layout, or use Ctrl+M for speed. With these options, you can keep your workflow smooth and your presentation well-structured. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.